Okay, this is the bladder out of the build, or out of the case. And what I want to do with this bladder, I want this part of it. So we'll take an X-Acto knife and I'll cut right around that seal. That's what I want right there, that part of the seal. And I can then, it probably works a little better when you goop it in a little bit, maybe put a little goop in the channel so it don't fall out on you. I mean, drive you nuts when you're trying to put the camera out and the seal flopping around. Okay, that concludes our build. It's a nice build, nice little board. It's nice and clean, small. You can goop maybe this wire in here so you don't pull on it. But it's going to line up every time. See, external should last quite a while. I don't have to worry. I already got a piece of foam in the back pushing on the camera. I've done this enough times to know a 1/4 inch in the front and a 1/4 inch in the back. On a Pelican case is shouldn't cause any flash bleed. If you have flash bleed, you might have to shim a little bit of foam in the back here, put a little bit more pressure on the camera, so you don't have flash bleed. Hope this helps you. Ready for camo.